Okay, I received these products in the mail, and I'll show you the rest I received in a minute. I received it in the mail, and I just used this and this today, and made the hair so soft. My hair never feel like this with other products. So yeah, if you want it, I'll put the link down below. So I got deep conditioner, repair shampoo, is control, blowout balm, setting cream, Star Pro gel, and detangling spray, style mousse, daily moisturizer. I'm gonna use this too when I wash the deep conditioner out. And this, I used this last night, and it tastes so much better than the product I was using before. And this, it feels so good. I used it last night too, and I got a face mask. I used this last night. I used all these products last night, and it made the face feel so much better than it usually felt. So if you want these products, I'll put the link down below, and you can buy them. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.